Fiordland National Park is the country's most popular tourist attraction. Hundreds of thousands of people explore the area annually. Boat tours and cruises are the most common way to experience the majestic world of the fjords. Kayaking is another popular way to experience the fjords, however, this is for the more conditioned and adventurous. Alpine climbers who are conditioned and adventurous can venture into the multi-day climbs of Hollyford, Kepler, and Milford. Mirror Lake is a popular attraction and stops along the road through Homer Pass. New Zealand is known for its unique landscape and interesting cultures. It is also one of the few countries in the world where one can see stunning fjords. Due to its abundance of fjords, it now rivals the fjords of Norway. In New Zealand, Fiordland National Park is perhaps the best place to witness these awe-inspiring natural wonders. With the park covering an area of 4,868 square miles, there are many things to do in this park besides just gazing at the giant rock formations. For adventurers visiting this unique part of New Zealand, here are some of the best things to do for an unforgettable adventure. Fiordland National Park. Hailed by Rudyard Kipling as the eighth wonder of the world, the breathtaking Milford Sound is the star of glacier-carved Fiordland National Park, providing an emerald green and waterfall-rich backdrop for hiking, biking and kayaking. Frequent downpours only enhance this South Island beauty, sending numerous waterfalls cascading down the cliffs. Passionate nature lovers book in advance to hike the 33-mile Milford Track, a legendary route through alpine passes and temperate rainforest. Fiordland National Park is located in the southwestern part of the South Island. Situated in the corner of the island, the national park boundaries encompass an area of 4,868 square miles, 12,607 square kilometers, making it the largest national park in New Zealand. Doubtful Sound, Dusky Sound, and Milford Sound are three of the most significant fjords of the park. Some of the fjords reach back into the mainland as far as 25 miles, 40 kilometers. The southern portion of the Southern Alps accounts for much of the Fiordland National Park. The Darren Mountains in the north provide viewpoints out to Mount Aspiring, which is actually in the sister Mount Aspiring National Park. Traveling south from there, the national park features Thayer Franklin Mountains, the Murchison Mountains, and the Stewart Mountains. Lake Hauroko, Lake Manapouri, Lake Manawai, Lake Poteriteri, and Lake Te Anau make up the 5 most significant lakes. The fjords provide views of some spectacular waterfalls. Brown Falls, at 2,742.8 feet, is the tallest waterfall in New Zealand. They all add to the stunning landscape of Fiordland National Park. The national park is home to the largest region of pristine wilderness that has gone untouched by mankind. The forests are comprised of silver and mountain beech with a few conifers. Ferns are found throughout the dense forest floor. Wildlife highlights include the kakapo, which is the Earth's only flightless parrot, and the Fiordland crested penguin. Fiordland National Park is the country's most popular tourist attraction.